Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the login errors when signing into your Microsoft accounts on Windows. Let's begin. First, go to your Windows search bar and type in Windows Security. So Windows Security, left click on it. Once you're in, click on the Virus and Threat Protection. I want you to try turning real-time protection off. So I'm going to check or click on manage settings. You can turn these off, right? The most effective way is actually to go to your firewall and network protection. So left click on here, and it will usually say something like private network, which is active, like this one. I want you to turn that off, okay, just for the moment. This often fixes the login issue, right? So go ahead, turn it off. Now try signing into your Microsoft account again. Once it works, make sure to turn everything back on, like your virus and threat protection and your firewall. If it still doesn't work, try using a free VPN. Sometimes the problem is actually network related, so switching regions through a VPN can help you log in successfully. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.